This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Audis Marcos. Price to sell. Location. 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 Investor special. Located in a maintenance-free 55-plus community. 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Tyrone Gardens. Elevator and in-unit laundry. Oversized spacious sunroom overlooks the well-manicured courtyard. Courtyard includes grilling area and picnic tables. This unit is ready to sell. Fees include basic cable, internet, sewer, trash, water, and exterior maintenance. Tons of guest parking available. Tyrone Gardens Shopping Plaza sits right across the street. Downtown St.Pete and Treasure Island Beach is a short 10-minute drive. Secure your own piece of beautiful St.Pete. Sellers are serious. For more information